Hello, I'm Line. I want to talk to you about why we need a human rights-based approach to technology. Without digital tools, you would not be here and we wouldn't be able to reach you. Digital technologies offer many opportunities for promoting and protecting human rights. But these technologies can also lead to human rights violations, intentionally or unintentionally. If we look at the technology itself, how is it that it interacts with and impacts on humans? What are the characteristics of technology that can cause harm to human beings if we're not careful? Data collection is currently very unequal. There are companies that are built on extracting data from the people using their services. And then they sell that data to third parties who use it for political campaigns or advertising. So it's the company or the government that reaps all the benefits, but while citizens are left without knowledge or control of their own data and where it ends up. A lot of processes have been taken over by computers thanks to artificial intelligence and algorithms. The upside of that is that the computers can do those processes faster and more accurate than human beings. The downside, however, is that computers are not flawless. Machines also make mistakes that can be quite significant and have serious consequences for humans. Think about a self-driving car. If the car's sensors are malfunctioning because it misreads information about its surroundings, this mistake can potentially cause an accident and kill people. Humans are not always rational. We make decisions based on our emotions, though we like to think of ourselves as rational human beings. This means that we are sometimes not fully aware of the dynamics that make us act in certain ways. Behavioral design is used to help users navigate digital services and to make it more user-friendly. In the best case, behavioral design is applied to help people make wise decisions. But in the worst case, behavioral design is used to manipulate people in directions that are harmful to them. What is sometimes referred to as dark patterns. For example, making something fun, easy, or rewarding online can nudge us to make healthier choices. But it can also make us buy products that we don't need, or spend more time gaming, or even spend more money gambling. So knowingly or unknowingly, these providers of digital services pose risks to the human rights of their users. This means that we have to strike a balance between, on the one side, making the most of those technologies and what it offers, and on the other hand, protecting humans. This balance has not yet been struck, neither by the tech companies and their business models, nor by the governments who attempt to regulate them. We at the Danish Institute for Human Rights apply a human rights-based approach because it can address both the challenges of rights that can be in tension with each other by putting the human and not the system at the center when we design and develop technology. We can better understand the risks to human rights from the beginning to prevent these negative effects before they even occur. Only then can we ensure that technology benefits all humans and our rights.